Hey, fellow traders. How's everybody doing? It's that time of the day again. Finish up work, close up shop, time to go home. And maybe you can tell from my facial expressions, it's not so sunny outside. It's another gray day, and I hate gray days. Super depressing. But you got to take what you get and keep moving forward. And something similar works when it comes to the stock market as well. I mean, not every day is a volatile day. Not every day there's a lot of volume in the market. And today was one of those days where there wasn't a lot going on. You made some money if you were trading options, but when it came to penny stocks, there wasn't much really to offer. So you got to take what you get and just keep going. Today there was BLIN. It went from around $5 to about $9. And I had an order for that one to get in around 638-ish. And, it was halted at that point. Or 658 or 638. It was halted. And I said to myself, actually it was 638, because I said, if it opens below 650, I am going to buy it, and if it opens above 650, I will be staying out. So it opened around, I think, 680 or something like that. It ran up to around $7.50. Got halted again. It got halted a couple more times, all the way up to about $9. But I don't get into stuff like that. That stuff is for people that have, a lot of followers in their chat room, or people that have a lot of followers on social media, where they're gonna say, "Hey guys, I'm getting in," and people are just gonna start getting in all blind and stuff. It doesn't apply to me. I don't have a lot of people in the chat room. I'm not that type of person. Either way, I did have an option to get in, but I knew that the downside could be somewhat deadly. And I'm sure the people that bought in around $9 aren't so happy right now as we speak. Either way, that's the situation. It's very easy to make money when there's a lot of people coming in after you, especially on a low float stock. It's very, very easy. And a lot of people don't think that it actually makes an impact. When you have 1,000, 1,500 people, 2,000 people in your chat room, that's like millions of dollars coming in after you. And especially if you have a low float stock, it will cause the stock to spike and you will make money. I don't find that to be ethical, but there are some people that believe that, any way I can make money, I'm going to make money. I don't believe in that. I never will. And I find that to be somewhat disturbing. That there are people in this world that can operate that way. But anyways, that's that situation. Now I wanted to go over one more thing, which was, when the market is, somewhat volatile, all the bigger stocks are moving, you'll see a lot less action in the penny stock side of things. Mainly because people they're trading options, and they're focused on that day. On the days where the market is somewhat going sideways, the options aren't really moving, you'll notice that there is somewhat of a bigger move in the market, and in the stock market, in the penny stock market at least. So when you see that the market is volatile, what you should be focused on is trying to not trade penny stocks more than normal, and or somewhat less than normal, so you don't have that problem. You're not getting into stocks that are moving up, they're spiking up a little bit and then crashing back down, and so on and so forth. You don't want to be getting into that situation. It's kind of frustrating, lose money, and it causes a lot of anxiety and stress as well, because you start thinking, when am I gonna make money? Is the stock market always gonna be like this? Is it even worth taking a course? Maybe the stock market is just good a few days in a year, which it kind of is, but at the same time, there is a mover almost every single day of the year. There is a mover where you can generate, a few decent, somewhat of a decent percentage on a daily basis. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. You got to just figure out what you want to do, and that's that. For me, I've been able to watch this pattern for a very long time, and just realize that when the market is moving, I would say when the market's up more than 1%, S&P 500 is up more than 1%, you'll notice that the penny stocks don't move as much, and you can just keep an eye on that and see for yourself. But in those situations, I tend to stand out. There were no trades for me today, no trades at all, no penny stock trades, no options, nothing, no day trades. I'm still holding a few swing trades, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, just keep in touch, and if you have any questions about what I think about the market, you can always just leave your comments below. But that's pretty much where we're at. We're gonna have to wait for the market to kind of slow down. I'm sure there will be at least one stock a day that's gonna have some sort of a move. I mean, today AMTX, if you were able to somehow find shares as short, which I think is almost impossible, based on the price and just the float and all of that. If you were able to find something, you probably could have made some money on the way down. But that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I just got home, and I think that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Hopefully we get some sort of a move in the market tomorrow. It should be interesting. It will be interesting. Alright guys, take care, have a good night, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.